Hi guys, it's me again. I am going to show you how I cook my salmon head and tail in Paksiw style or vinegar style. So first of all, we need a pot with oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like. Then after the oil is heated up, we are going to add some garlic. This one is minced garlic. We just have to saute this for about 1 minute. And then next, we will be adding our onions. These ones are chopped onions. Just mix them together with your garlic and let them simmer until they turn translucent. Now you don't want to overcook these ingredients because you still want their flavor in there. It should not taste burnt. Next, we are going to put our fish heads here. Make sure that you clean them thoroughly before putting them into the pan. After that, we also added the tail. Again, make sure that you clean them well before putting them inside the pan. Add salt according to your preference. Mix everything together so that every piece of meat is coated with the salt. Let it sit for about 1 minute so that the flavors will combine. Okay, now we are ready to add our vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar as well. Anything goes. It doesn't matter. As long as it has acidity, it would work perfectly fine. After that, we are going to add water. The amount depends on how much liquid you prefer for your dish. Lastly, we are going to add fish sauce. Fish sauce gives an umami flavor to the food. If you do not have fish sauce at home, you may substitute it with soy sauce. That works perfectly fine too. Once done cooking, we are going to add green chilies. Green chilies give color to the dish, as well as a spicy kick. Feel free to adjust accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please follow me for more recipes. See you soon. Bye-bye.